But today I just had to put back this garden wall. It was tipped really bad. A few hours, the whole thing was done. I'm going to show you how I did it. Well, today we're going to do this little simple job. If you're looking at it, everything's tipped down to the road. So we're just going to rip it up and fix it up. So the first thing we're going to do get all the gravel away. So now, just going to get these off the top, like this. Get these up like this. Basically, just straighten them out. Gonna put them back. That's it. Now when we're pulling this out, look down here, they put tar all over them. See the tar in there? The owner don't want that tar on these blocks. You see the tar on there? Just get the axe, get it off. No big deal. This is all this cheap. These are like landscaping blocks. They're cheap. Looks like they tried to glue it to at one time, which is a waste of time. So you can always get the back end, chip it if you wanted to. That's it. Put it back down. See, I'm kind of finishing up, but you could shape these blocks like you want. They're soft. See, depends on how much time you want to put in it. Sometimes you can knock the back off. It's in the way. See? That's it. No big deal. And then sometimes you don't want to fit. You gotta take a little bit off, like that. See that? Now she fits. Now we're just gonna put our other ones right on top again. That's it. All done. So that's it. Real simple. Just finish the whole thing and it's done.